80%.
Hi, my name... Hi, my name's Taylor. This is Ken White Construction. You might be asking yourself, what is this cool video all about? Well, let me show you what we're all about. Sorry, hold on one second. Business.
Having the right tools for the job. Heavy equipment. Sports. Making long-lasting relationships. Friendship. Having the right tools for the job. Security. What's going on, everybody? I don't know if you can hear it. It's Monday morning. We got 100-mile-an-hour gust winds. It's freaking cold out, and we're gonna start this 170. All right, we're running.
Minus 14. The shovel is warming up. It's nice and warm in the cab, so I'm definitely not complaining about the weather. Now, what we're gonna do today is get some clean fill out from this pile, break up some frost. We got just the machine for that. Before we get into that, I need you guys to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, make sure you're commenting, engaging with everything. I appreciate all the new views, all the new subscribers. What's going on? My name's Taylor. Welcome to Ken White Construction. Not rocking the sweater today, rocking Casey Neistat sweater with a little bit of ketchup on it because that's the type of guy that I am. Let's flip this around and get into some digging some dirt. All right, don't worry, you're not gonna be looking at me the whole time. Not even using our KWC mug today. Man, one thing that I think is going to be awesome about doing videos in this machine is it is so quiet in the cab. Like, it is insane. Insane. So yeah, kind of like what I briefly just said, we're going to be removing some of the fill that we have in our yard. Like, we sell clean fill and soils and stuff like that, and we got an abundance of clean fill, but the problem is it's frozen, and we need some like now. So I'm gonna be attempting to try to at least remove some of the snow and maybe a bit of the frost so that the sun can get out and hit it. It's supposed to get a little bit milder maybe, if this Canadian winter ever stops. But yeah, again, this is a 2013 Komatsu 170. I don't run this machine at all, but I obviously know how to run a shovel. I'm not going to pretend like I'm amazing at it, but you guys will see. I just figured it'd be fun. It's the first time that it's ran in like 2 months. Well, that's a lie, I ran last week, but first time that I've been in it in a long time. And so let's see how rusty I get, and let's have some fun. All right, well, I'm gonna start just, man, I'll try to show, actually, here, I'll show the tracks, if I can. Yeah, look at it, so I'm gonna try to turn. It's just, it is, look at that. It is just so slippy out here, it is insane. All right. Yeah, and I know I got some Tim Hortons mugs and some Timmy's mugs and and other stuff frozen in the bucket. I just kind of don't want to take too much of a chunk at once and then grab onto a hard piece of something and then send myself jolting into this. So we're just going to carefully remove all this snow away. Pile here now, just frozen chunks. So I'm gonna try to get them out of the way. Then what I'm probably gonna do is come in with the loader after, just scoop out all this. Man, my voice keeps cracking. Just scoop out the rest of this stuff. But it's a constant battle with this friggin' slippy snow. Man, I just got pushed like 5 feet. Yeah, we just uploaded a new photo to our Instagram. So make sure you guys are going over there and checking that out. I know I say it a lot, but it's only for your guys' sake, because we post a lot of day-to-day stuff on there. Well, at least I do. Update everybody kind of throughout the day. I like using Instagram, making the stories. It really connects everybody, and I think it's a really great place to be on and post, and yeah. Hey guys, so if you made it to the end of the video, I know that that was probably a shorter one, but basically that's kind of what I did today. I was just messing around in the beginning part of this video. Obviously that was a joke. It was just something that I kind of wanted to mess around with and do. I've been playing with a lot of presets in Premiere Pro lately, so yeah, that's just me trying to be funny, and I know that it might be annoying to some people, but that's just me. But thank you again, guys, for watching the video and supporting me. Truly, truly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate all of it. You know, stick with me because we will have on-site work coming with dump trucks, dozers, excavators. It's all coming, guys. So hit the subscribe button, and thanks. I appreciate it again.